Eating only black food in a whole day challenge. Let's go! Okay, this is very easy because coffee is black, right? So I'm in a cafe. I'm gonna get an Americano. Let's go. Wait, oh, look at this. They have charcoal muffin. I got my coffee. It's brown, but imagine it's black, okay? I just want my coffee in the morning. Let's go. Oh, so sweet. This is their signature gula aren coffee. That's why it's super sweet. So I'm here at the grocery to get something black for me to cook the food. Let's see if there's any black thing that I can cook, okay? Let's go. So I gotta buy the black kind of food for lunch and dinner. Okay, so I'm in the instant noodle section and this noodle is the jjajangmyeon. It's like the black one. Okay, let's get one. Ta-da! And okay, oh, seaweed. Let's get seaweed. Seaweed is black, right? Yes, let's get some. Let's go. I mean, oh wait, this one is more black. Okay. Oh, this is so full on black. This is like black seafood. Black seaweed. Let's go. Okay, I don't want to just cook instant noodles. I also want to add some fresh ingredients like cucumber and then like mincemeat. Okay, chef skills. Oh yes. Do you know this cincau is sort of our Asian thing to have like, you have this, it's a sweet thing, sweet dessert that you put it in your drinks. I didn't know they have this cincau manis mango, which is like mango flavored cincau. So it's like jelly tofu, but it's not. We call it cincau. So it's all black, right? Yay! Oh, black currant cincau. That is so cool. I'm gonna buy this. Let's go. Okay, for the dinner, I think I'm gonna make pasta and I found this one. It's all black. It's like squid ink pasta. Al nero di sepia. 8 to 9 minutes. Okay, let's go. Everything black. Look at my bag is black. And my outfit is black. Whole outfit is black. Gossip. Let's go. Okay, might as well just black beans as well. Yeah, black beans, organic some more. Let's go. No way, they even have like charcoal ramen. So they have so many colors, green, red, and like whatever. But it's all natural. Carrot, pumpkin, spinach, charcoal, beetroot, and broccoli. Okay, healthy and black at the same time. Let's go. Ta-da! So here are all the black food that I'm gonna cook, and I can't wait to show you what I'm gonna make because everything is in black color. Cool. Okay, this is actually the good time to unbox my new cookware from Ella. And whoa, look at the packaging, it's so nice. Wow! They even got this like the heat holder, I think. Ta-da! It's pink in color and it's like, I love this kind of pot because it's so easy to put. You just put, okay, let me show you how I'm gonna use it. Ta-da! Let's go cook some black food in a pink pot. Guys, just look at the packaging. Your new friendly non-toxic cookware is here. And the color is perfect. Wow. Look at that. So pretty. Okay, let's go. Okay, first of all, put water in your pot and then it's very easy. This is the brand called Jjajangmyeon Samyang. Let's go. Turn on the heat. Whoa, black seasoning. Oh, I should put potato first. So I chop up some potatoes into the potato. Okay, next time I got my black Pepsi and black grapes, has to be seedless, and black nori. Let's go. Yo, it's so juicy. It choked me. My heart is becoming black, guys. Wait, technically, this is green, no? Right. This is good. Everything about Japanese food, it will not disappoint you. Except this way. This way is not nice. Wow, I swear to God, this pot warms up so fast. Okay, let's put this in. Bear in mind, this is a dry noodle, so I'm gonna strain it out later. Okay, and this is the jajangmyeon. Let's... Ew, it's so black. Okay, trust the process. Ew. Why is it so dry? Okay, now I'm just gonna cook this charcoal ramen. Whoa, it's not black, but it's gray in color. This looks so wrong. It looks like it's not edible, but yeah, let's roll with it. Oh, look at that. It looks very Star Trek, like Star Wars, yeah? Darth Vader vibes, very nice. Let's go. Okay, for this one, I just put some, okay, very quick. I'll put like sesame oil of laukama, everyone's favorite. Let's go. Instant garlic oil. Soy sauce, mix a bit. And there you have your very simple noodle sauce. Okay, let me just do some minced meat that I fried. And now the peanut butter, because this is like, you know, tan tan mian. Put it in. I know it seems weird, but trust the process, okay? This is the tan tan mian, very easy on a charcoal noodles. Yes, it looks very nice though. Say yes.
Yes.
Yes! Okay, I'm gonna mix it. Ooh, it's a bit dry, but let's go. Ooh, yes. Okay, tan tan mian, peanut butter. Okay, I'm gonna drink this very quick to make. So this is like a cincau dessert. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna chop it off and put it in the water. That's all, because it's really seasoned with sweet. It's gonna burst out, I think. Wait, how? This is actually my first time making a cincau lah. I don't know how. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's basically black jelly. Ooh. It's like jelly. You can't even see, but okay. Bro, it looks like a murder scene, but yeah, this is like the jelly type. Ooh, voila. Okay, this is the last dish. I'm so tired already. So thank God I have a big pot like that. So I'm gonna do a 1 pot pasta, but black color. So what you need to do, I'm just gonna fry the meat and the garlic. Fry first, then we only put the pasta in like all. So we're gonna put oil. Wait. And then minced meat. Bro, the dog. With the Italian herb blend and salt. Okay, now we're gonna make this black pasta. Let's put some water. When you're too lazy to cook and also to wash your plates, you just put everything in. Oh, this black color. Okay, now we're gonna put this, all the black stuff here. Wow, it looks very black. Now I'm gonna add the, what am I gonna add? What is this? How to cut? Bro, what? Okay, I'm gonna add this cream. So I'm gonna put this in. Oh, fuck. Not literally put this in, but yeah, this is like, I'm gonna put like coconut cream extract. So it's creamy, but like not dairy, you know. I'm trying to avoid dairy, so let's put some salt. Trust the process, okay? It looks very messy, but yeah, trust me. Oh, we need more water here. I'm gonna add more water. Okay, now what you're gonna do is just mix, do a little mix at the end. Mix. And wait for a few minutes, I guess. Okay, now I'm going to add the black beans in it. Let's go. So I'm already sweating so much. It's so hot. I'm not sure what is this, but you got the idea. I'm trying to make aglio olio, but yeah, I'm trying to make aglio olio, but it does not look like it. Okay, now our all-in-one pot pasta is almost done. Ta-da! I know it looks very dry, but trust me, if I put some lemon slices, is it?
Because the first.
Mamma mia! I'm gonna put like Parmesan cheese, okay, to make it nicer. Wait, trust the process. Wait, it's gonna taste nice.
Don't trust you though.
So, we're gonna put the pasta in the Japanese pan because it's black, okay? So trust the process. Let me do some plating. Wait, I'm gonna use chopsticks. Yes, we're multicultural like that. Yes. Ooh. Okay, now it looks very fine dining, no?
No.
Wait until I put Parmesan cheese on top and a lemon. I don't have coriander, but yeah, you know the idea, huh? So, wait, fine dining is supposed to be lesser, but okay. Give me some lime. Put here, ooh, and some Parmesan cheese that I'm about to put here. Yes. Is it giving? Okay, I'm just saying, if you invest in a nice pot like this, see, you don't even need like oil. And whereas this one that I always used to cook instant noodle and everything, it just, it sticks to the pan. Just take this one. It's 220. It might be very expensive, but how often do you change a pan? This is around, you can use it for like at least 2 years and above. It's a good investment that you use every day. Okay, you cook a whole pot and then you just keep for tomorrow. Let's go. Okay, last one. I'm gonna do some toppings. This is black sesame that I have because why not? Let's go. Ooh, very black. I'm just putting everything in. Wow, this is super black. Okay, let's go. And how can I forget this seafood nori that I'm gonna put on? Ooh, wow, this is... Okay, I know this is a hack already. It looks very nice if you put the seaweed. Wow, yes. Okay, finally. Ta-da! All the black food that I made is coming all together. So here we have very black pasta from Italy, and here we have tantan mian, like not very black but gray black tantan mian from China. And here we have Korean jjajangmyeon. It's like semi-black, brown. Okay. Whew. Let's go. So okay, let's try this. Alright. Surprisingly, it's so good. Is it raw? The noodle texture is so good. Wow. Okay, it looks a bit dry because it is dry. So let's try. The next one is the tantan noodle. Let's go. Oh, it's real. I like this one because I like peanut butter, and if you mix it with like laukama and soy sauce, that becomes the tantan mian. It's so good, and you can just do it in 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes. It's so good. I love this one. Okay, next is instant noodles. It's not really my effort. This is sauce, but yeah, let's go. Wow, kind of put some seaweed in there. Out of 3, I like this one. This is not done by me, the sauce. It's so good. Jjajangmyeon is the best. And a little bit of cincau water. Let's go. No, the ginger just fell off. Okay. Pepsi, just black. And one last one. Okay, now my whole soul is black. I think I accepted a challenge. I even made this one. This is the most black one, but it's my least favorite because I don't know how to make pasta like that. But yeah, I like this one. Not bad. Maybe you can try it at home. If a person like me who doesn't know how to cook and end up didn't burn the whole house down because of the pot. Okay, thanks to the pot. It's called Ella Cookware, and it's actually a non-stick natural ceramic coating on the pot so it doesn't burn your food. If you want to do all-in-one pasta, you have to get non-stick pot because in that way you're gonna allow the water to absorb all in the noodles without getting burned in the bottom layer. So thanks to Ella Cookware, I didn't burn the whole thing down. Okay, that's all for you guys. I'm gonna continue eating all my black food, and thanks for watching. If you fancy a nice pot that you want to buy, just click on the link below because Ella Cookware looking pretty, and also don't burn up your food, don't mess up your food, okay? So bye.